how to recover a Yahoo account without email, password, or questions. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you also want to recover your Yahoo account without using any email or password, in this video we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. For that, you need to go to a browser, your preferred browser, and type in Yahoo support link. Once typed, you'll be finding this results. Go ahead and tap on this first option, and then once you're on this page, scroll down and go to contact us. Open it up and select up your reason. After that, enter up your Yahoo ID and tap on this I forgot my Yahoo ID and get started. And after that, follow the on-screen prompts, and once that is done, you should be able to recover your Yahoo account easily. So that is how you do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.